power trick or trade. All right, people, we're in my SPY November 17 big picture plan. Again, I made dozens of great plans throughout the year for the SPY, calling for higher prices, while many high flyers or people bearish the market have been wrong throughout the entire year. And what did the SPY do today? Well, I'm going to show you. We did make a new high, and I'm going to talk about a few more things here. But one of the things I want to show you here is these December 258 calls. At the time of making this video, you could see they were trading at 200 and we'll say $220. Now, on confirmation, we had to pay about $290. But nonetheless, if we look at the, we're going to go take a look at the market and what happened. And as you can see, we had targets. I talked about using December 19 258 or 259 calls. So these are the 259s, and these are the 258s. So let's see how they fared. And again, targets 260, 262. Well, we smashed above this 262 targets, right? And this was faster than anticipated. But again, I did provide a plan. I've made multiple SPY plans, and correct what's new again, people. Correct the big picture. This is, billion-dollar mind thinking, people. Little mind thinking can't catch big moves, people. Cannot see the big picture. They see little moves up and down, and they get afraid. No. Big picture mind, people, is how you make the big dollar bills. If your plan is solid on confirmation, it will make money. You have to have the faith in the right plans, and this SPY plan demonstrates that. Let's go take a look at the plan. So here you can see, people, I posted this November 19th. Now, of course, if you listen to my instructions in the video, ask yourself this question: could you have not made money in the SPY, the big picture? And again, you want to follow me. I'm going to tell you a easy way to follow me and subscribe. You want to listen to big picture minded thinking. This is what you want to follow. You want to follow someone who can make these winning after winning SPY plans. All right, people, so here we are at the Yahoo Finance, and the SPY closed at 262.83, up $260. These are the December 15 calls, right? Let's take a look at the options, people. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at those calls, okay? So here we are, people. Here, as you can see, for today, November. And here are the option prices, just for you to see. And I'm going to show you them even in my charts as well, okay? But you can see here, up 61% on the options, 95,000 open interest, huge open interest in the, and also a lot of trading as well. Look at the price of the 259, how much they went up. Okay, so again, practically about 100% gains was made on entry of those options. Practically, not exactly, but still about 100%. Okay, or we'll say about a good 80%. But depending on the entry, some people went a little bit early and got about 100% if you held those. Okay, but the key is the big picture direction was correct, and you can see what the options are per option. Now they're 290 to 250 where it was an entry point, but now you should see the options are $549, and then of course the 259s. Well, you could check in the video; they went up a lot, and that's 71% today on the big picture. All right, people, as you can see, we're in the SPY, and look at this volume today. Good volume again, above a lot of things. So what does this mean? Well, what it means is the market can go higher. We're going to be taking a look, so make sure you follow me. I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe and follow. You want to follow big picture minded people for the big picture. Okay, as you can see here, I got these up on my option chain over here, and just like the Yahoo, you see the same thing. So what this does is, so instead of me going to Yahoo, I can go inside here and I show the option chain, which is the same as the Yahoo, but I wanted to show it anyways. We're going to show both. And again, if we go to the 17th, right, so here was the 17th, right? So I mean, this confirmed this day over here, and we chopped around, and it was not a big deal, and then boom, higher, faster than I anticipated. Despite, but this is how it goes. You don't know exactly when you have a choppy market conditions. You don't know. You have Google L, for example, flying. flying yesterday, and today as the SPY is going higher, they pulling it back. So it's one of those choppy market conditions. But the big picture is you want to get the right direction. You have to have patience because they can come in. You want to make sure you're buying the right options on the confirmation in these choppy market conditions. But as you can see, people, the market has been very choppy. But in the end, the bulls won again into new highs, while the high flyer short people wrong again. The big picture. No skills. Like I explained, people. Big picture mind, power trick or trade, people. As you can see here, power trick or trade here, people, Sandro. Big picture directional trading stock expert. That's right, people. That's what I do. I post powerful option plans that make 100 to 300% gains. Many documented on my YouTube channel from start to end. Exactly what I'm saying. This SPY plan is, again, proof of the big picture. While many people guess and assume and are wrong, power trick or trade delivers win after win after win. Plan after plan after SPY winning plan. Let's go take a look at my YouTube channel. Alright, people. Welcome to Power Target Trades, the place where I post great, detailed, powerful plans. As you can see, people, confirmation is key. My video plans explain a lot of key information. You need to study, you need to focus, and you need to listen to the big picture man. Plan after SPY plan this year, I have been correct, the big picture. While many are assuming and guessing the market is going lower, they do not see the big picture. The market will go lower when the market wants to go lower. But we need the confirmation for that first. We need more reasons. Meanwhile, stocks are very strong. They've been choppy, but they want higher prices. And the market is giving us another signal again today. In this review, and again, people, I want you to review, review my created playlist. Powerful detailed videos such as my last Netflix plan from start to end, before the fact, as it's confirmed, and after the fact. The key is when we catch these big gainers. Sometimes stocks are going to be choppy, but when we catch them, we make great money, and the market is always fluctuating and changes, and we need to adapt. And you want to follow and get the advice from a big picture person, people. Don't listen to the small-minded, scalper-minded people. They can't see the big picture. Billionaires want big picture-minded people. They don't want the small-minded people. They want the people who can say, where is something going, the big picture. And Power Trick or Trade, again, delivered with the SPY plan. I suggest you open up a YouTube channel so you can join me on my live streams and ask questions to Power Trick or Trade. At the same time, if you have a YouTube account, I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe right inside this video. Let's see what I say. Alright, people. Now that we just finished watching that great detailed video, don't forget to look at my banner. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you check out my created playlist. Make sure you study before taking action on Power Target Trades. Every plan that I make has great detailed instructions. And I put my heart and soul in it because I want my subscribers and followers to make great money in the markets. But you have to study, people. Let me show you a way to subscribe. Let's see a picture of me around here in a circle format. Simply click on it and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Don't forget, people, at the end of the video to like the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video!